Well, it's harvest time for my lettuce. I should say it's the beginning of harvest time because I'm going to be harvesting from here for a while. This is the first thing that I planted this season in my hydroponics. You see here, this is my makeshift hydroponics system. And if I don't start harvesting these leaves soon, the bottom ones are going to die because the new ones, the ones that are near the top, are the ones that are getting the light. So I will start taking these from the bottom and wait for new ones to grow. Catch you guys later.